Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Gmail and you will click here. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.